How to compare personal loans on Credit Karma. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log in with a registered account to access your personalized dashboard. Once you are logged in, look at the top menu and click on the Personal Loans tab. From the drop-down options, select Personal Loans. This will take you to the page where you can explore various personal loan offers tailored to your credit profile. Now you will see a list of lenders showing different loan amounts, interest rates, terms, and estimated monthly payments. Each offer comes with a pre-qualification indicator, which means Credit Karma is showing you loans you are more likely to get approved for based on your credit data. Click on See Terms next to any loan to view detailed information such as loan terms, APR range, fees, and eligibility requirements. If you are unsure which one to choose, use the built-in comparison tool to review up to 3 loans side by side. This will help you compare key features and make a smart borrowing decision. Now you know how to compare personal loans on Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.